Hello guys, this is Ria and you guys are watching Intel Me. Today's hot topic is all about big 4 IT companies which are going to and which is hiring already 91,000 freshers to 1 lakh freshers for the year 2021 and 2022. Before we go to the next segment, I would like you to go back and subscribe to this channel and to wait for most amazing videos with respect to interviews, resumes, CV, covering letter, and how to crack any interviews, how to be on top, and how to be successful in your career field. With the sharp pickup in demand after the lockdown lows, Indian IT firms have lined up robust hiring plans for 2021 and 2022. The top 4 IT firms in India, which has collectively planned to hire 91,000 to 1 lakh freshers from campuses, a little higher than last year. Though we are impacted due to pandemic, companies are still hiring. Most of the ongoing financial year's campus hiring would have been concluded before businesses were hit by the pandemic. Companies generally have honored those offers, though some with a lag. Those top 4 companies, IT companies to begin with. Let's start. The first one is TCS. In the recent media, they said that the company expects to hire the same number of freshers for the next year as they did last year, like about 40,000. And the second topmost company is Infosys. They mentioned like they will be hiring 24,000 college graduates in India in the next financial year, up from the 15,000 that it had planned for current one. And the third topmost company is HCL Technologies. Chief HR Officer Mr. VV said that there are multiple reasons why the hiring momentum is picking up. And according to them, they are doing 33% more than what they had targeted, and they see a fair bit of acceleration in Q3 and Q4. Like visa environment, compensation revisions, and countries looking inward have put a cap in terms of the talent available in those countries. If customers scale up their engagement, they have to go where the skills are. So last year, 70% of their increase in manpower was in India and 30% was outside India. This year, it was almost 90% to 10%. They see a huge ramp ups in India. They mentioned HCL plans to hire 15,000 freshers in India and 1,500 to 2,000 people on site in the 2022 ending fiscal. As we know, Infosys won the largest deal ever in its history from German automotive major Daimler. That sources said it is estimated at 3.2 billion. TCS won a large deal from Prudential Financial, as well as Wipro signed a big one with German retailer Metro. And the last but not the least top company is none other than Wipro. Wipro expects a talent war to unfold in the next few months in the IT sector as companies have stepped up hiring in the last 2 quarters. It is all about the demand, the way we have been hiring in the last few months. More demand means more opportunities, as we already know. To conclude this is all about, especially this video is all about campus recruitment. And this is a good view to watch. So many freshers are going to be hired in this financial year. Especially 21 and 22 year is going to be better than the previous year. This is what I feel. I would like to share all the information with you all out there. If you have liked this video, you know what you have to do. Just go back and subscribe to this channel and do not forget to like my video. There will be a lot of videos coming up in the future all about interviews and CVs, how to crack it, how to deal with it, how to overcome inferiority, or how to overcome complexities, and how to deal with the bosses, HRs, and how to be productive. Finally, and how to be successful in wherever we are. This is all for today, guys. Have a wonderful day and take care. Stay at home unless it is an emergency. Take care of yourself and your family and friends. And wait for my next video. Bye bye.